Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace Mazda CX-5 windshield wipers. Maintaining clear visibility is crucial for safe driving, and worn wipers can significantly reduce it. We will cover the simple steps to change both your front and rear wiper blades, ensuring you are prepared for any weather. This is an easy do-it-yourself task that can save you time and money. Before starting, make sure you have the correct replacement blades. For your Mazda CX-5, the driver's side typically uses a 24-inch blade, and the passenger side needs an 18-inch blade. Carefully lift the wiper arm away from the windshield. Locate the small release tab on the wiper arm, press it, and then slide the old blade off. Remember to handle the arm gently to avoid damaging your windshield. Now take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the hook on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade firmly onto the arm until you hear a click, indicating it is securely locked. Give it a gentle tug to confirm it is properly attached. Carefully lower the wiper arm back onto the windshield. Repeat these steps for the other front wiper blade, ensuring both are correctly installed. Don't forget your rear wiper. It usually measures 14 inches. To replace it, remove the small cover, rotate the old blade to unlock it, and then pull it off. Install the new rear blade by reversing these steps, ensuring it locks into place. Once all blades are installed, gently lower all arms. Finally, test your new wipers with some windshield washer fluid to confirm they operate smoothly and provide a clear, streak-free view.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.